Speedline's trail can be found under SASSE Library Effects Trails, and we can just drag and drop this onto our object. So this is the same Suzanne that I used for the light trails demonstration. So this already has animation data built in. So I'll just turn this off for a second. I'll show you the animation that Suzanne has. So this is just location and rotation moving around the scene. If we enable this trail, then we see, I'll give it a second to compile. Start back at the beginning. Now we can see there's all these speed lines following in behind her. So we've got the same kind of controls over this that we had over the light trails. We can make this trail longer. We can make it larger or smaller. Spacing is for if we have multiple using vertex groups. Subdivision level is smoothing. Offset will move the origin point of the effect. And then you can also change the line color here, the length of the lines, the squash, so how many lines are we going to have around this, the scale. Turning it down, you'll get fewer but thicker lines, and then any distortion that you wanted to apply to this. So it can be a fairly different effect by the time everything is all said and done. And then you've got the speed factor for how fast these lines should be moving.